Hello friends, it's Running Kimono. Today's video, we're going to talk about the best gain deals over at the Dollar General. Specifically, we're going to be shopping on May the 22nd, which is the Saturday, to get these two boosters to stack, because it is a bit of magic and razzle dazzle when you can save 10 on a $30 basket of gain merchandise. Now, before we get into this, if you could please give this video a big thumbs up, it really helps me out with the YouTube algorithm and to ensure that this video does not end up in Siberia of YouTube. So a couple ground rules for this is to go on Saturday, May the 22nd, because both of those boosters tend to work on that specific day. And to get $10 of savings on a $30 basket, it's pretty amazing, and we're grabbing $30 of gain merch. Use the Dollar General app to scan to make sure that the boosters are in fact attaching along with the digital coupons. Any issues you might run into after the cashier presses the final pay button, you can always void your transaction and all the digital coupons will remain on your store card. And if by chance, I know not every region this works, some regions it doesn't, so just be mindful of that, but it works here in Michigan and over in Illinois, so a lot of people can still do this. So I mean, some significant savings to be had and found with gain. Well, isn't the proof always in the pudding? If you follow my Instagram, I often post my little hauls, and sometimes I go off the menu and just do other deals. $2.51 with a 5 off of 25. I do post on my Instagram if you want to give me a follow. My name is right there. It's also in the notes, the account. But yeah, it works. And then just to show you a gain basket that I did. And when you see the two S's, that's when you know that it's working. You're getting the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 working together. So it's just some magic, and I absolutely love it whenever we can shop on Saturdays. There's so much savings to be had and found. Okay, guys, what is happening with the clearance event? I do not know. If I'm going to have to look in a crystal ball and use my Dollar General brain to figure this out, I'm going to think it's sometime in June. It would have been this weekend if they were going to have a clearance event, or earlier in the month. I don't think they would do it on Memorial Day, but it is the Dollar General. But not a peep, not a sign, not a shred of information about a clearance event. I know a lot of you love clearance shopping over there, as do I. It only happens a couple times a year, so I'm thinking maybe sometime in June. But any information I have, I will share it with you. Those clearance sections are looking pretty full, but hey, it is what it is. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to talk about is 100% digital. And let's not forget that all digital coupons are of a one-time use over at the Dollar General. So for this basket, we're going to need the 5 off of 30, along with the 5 off of 25, and we will be going on a Saturday to do this little deal. If you want to go before that, it'll be an extra $5. Okay, first item that we're going to grab is a Gain detergent for $4.95. There's a $2 digital that should be attaching. You guys might have to scan every single cent, because right now in the app, I can't seem to track down the one for $4.95. Maybe it'll change by Saturday. Some software engineer will have to put the coupon to the item, but I'm having a bit of trouble. But just to throw that out there, I know you guys are smart, but this one, definitely scan the item to make sure that the coupon's attaching. We're also going to grab two of these guys, which are the Gain plugs, and we have a 5 off of 2. So $10 of this product, and make sure you're grabbing the one that has the word Gain on it. And then we're also going to grab 4 of these guys. I love these. These are my favorite. I want to take it out on a date. They're $3 each, and we have $1 off 2. We only have the one coupon for that. And then the final item that we're going to grab is 2 of these Gain dish soaps for $2 each, and we have the $1 coupon. Okay, guys, so looking at the basket here, the one Gain detergent for $4.95. 2 Febreze with Gain oils. Please make sure it has the word Gain on the packaging. 4 of the Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaners at $3 each, so that's 12. 4 times 3 equals 12. 2 of the Gain dish soaps at $2 a pop, that's $4. So the total for this basket is $30.95. As the cashier is scanning everything, that's when you'll punch in your phone number on the keypad at checkout. When the cashier presses the final pay button, 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $9 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $11.95 out of pocket. This does not include your tax. And for the 9 items, it shakes it out to $1.32 before tax, which is a really good price point for a digital deal. And let's not forget too, guys, to scan that $4.95 Gain detergent to make sure that you're grabbing the right one. Okay, guys, next deal that we have, we're going to be using paper coupons and digitals. So we need our two boosters that include the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30. Please make sure you have both of these loaded. First item that we're going to grab, fabric softener for $3.95. In the savings insert of May the 9th, if you might have received this insert, there's a $1 off coupon. And then we're also going to grab this guy for $4.95. Please scan in store to make sure the $2 coupon is attaching. And this is what the $2 coupon looks like. So please make sure you have that one loaded. And then we're also going to grab this guy for $6.95. It's a larger Gain detergent. And then in that same insert I was just talking about a second ago, there's a $2 coupon. So if you have one of those inserts, you're in business to be like gain, deals on Saturday. So we're going to utilize one of these coupons. And then to get the basket closer to $30, we're going to grab one of these guys for $13.50, 51 count of these Gain flings. I mean, there's some tremendous value. And then again, back to that same insert, there's a $3 off. It says Gain fling 42 count or larger, and it's a 51 count product, so this one will work with it. And how I would scan everything, guys, is smallest to largest. So go with the $3.95, the $4.95, the $6.95, and then this guy. In case the paper coupons attach in a goofy way, that's how I would do it. Okay, and the final product is the Gain dish soap for $2, and then we have the wonderful $1 digital coupon that is attaching to it. Okay, guys, let's take a peek at the mathematics for this. The Gain fabric softener for $3.95, one Gain detergent for $4.95, one Gain detergent for $6.95, one Gain fling for $13.50, one Gain dish soap for $2. So the total for that is $31.35. Now we have $6 of paper coupons, $1, a $2, and a $3. We'll hand those over to the cashier. As the cashier was scanning the products, we already punched our phone number in. So he or she will scan the paper coupons, and then when the pay button is pressed, 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30 will be coming off, along with $3 of digital manufacturers, the $2 for the Gain, and the $1 for the dish soap. You're left with paying $12.35 for the 5 products, shaking it out to $2.47 per product. Okay, final deal that we have again is with paper. So paper coupons. So we're going to need the two boosters, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 30. And if you used your 5 off of 30, don't worry. This guy is expiring on the 29th. So in like 2 weeks, there'll be a new one to utilize for deals. So we're going to grab one of these guys for $4.95. We're going to need that $2 coupon loaded. And scan. Make sure you're grabbing the right one. And then we're going to grab one of these guys because I can't help myself. It's such a great deal. $13.50. And then we're going to utilize one of these from the savings insert of May the 9th. We're going to grab two of these for $10. The Febreze oils with the Gain logo on it. And make sure you have this digital 5 off of 2 loaded. And then we're also going to grab the dish soap for $2. And then please make sure you have that $1 coupon loaded. Okay, guys, let's take a quick peek at the mathematics. One Gain detergent for $4.95, one Gain fling for $13.50, two Febreze oils with the Gain logo on it for $10. They're 5 each. And then one Gain dish soap for $2 on the nose. So the total for this basket is $30.45. As the cashier's scanning all of your stuff, that's when you'll punch in your phone number. And then you're going to hand over $3 of coupons from the savings insert for the big Gain fling 51 count. And then when the cashier presses the pay button, 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 will be coming off, along with $8 of digital manufacturers, $9.45 for the 5 products, or $1.89 per product. And the order of how I would scan stuff is like the $4.95 and then the $13.50, just in case something goofy happens. You never really know, because sometimes the order of how you scan things can make a really big difference over at the Dollar General. Okay, guys, and before I take off, just a couple little things. There's a $2 coupon for those Purex Pods, so it drops it down to $1. So even if you're like, I don't care about anything, it still make it like $1 for a bag of Purex Pods. It's a really good deal. And again, that $2 for the Gain liquid detergent, load that coupon. And if you have any issues where it doesn't come off at checkout, you can always show the cashier or manager the digital coupon and the copy of your receipt and say, hey, it did not come off. It's not attaching, blah, blah, blah. And if you have a manager that's, really cool, they'll just hand over $2. That's usually what happens, or at least my experience. I know a lot of you will say the opposite in the comments, but if you have it on your cell phone and you're doing this deal, they should compensate you even if it's not attaching. Because sometimes this detergent is always $3.95, so the fact that there's a $2 coupon, the $2 coupon is usually reserved for the $6.95 detergent. So something's a little wacky here. So but really keep an eye out for that one, because this might be the problem child for Saturday, and just be super mindful of it. If you're anything like me, sometimes you get really hot and thirsty in the store. 80 cents for these Powerades, really good deal. And they have a buy 3, get 1 for free. I love Powerade. So what a great little thing to throw in your basket if you're just doing a general 5 off of 25, or if you're just buying so much Gain and lifting all that stuff, you're just hot stuff and you need one of these. 80 cents is a really good price point for this energy drink. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.